Hey everyone, welcome back. So before we start coding anything, let's go over the list of topics that we'll be covering and what we'll be building in this course. We'll start off the first section by going over why we need to test our applications, what the different testing methods are, and which technologies are used for testing in Angular. Then, we'll set up a basic AngularJS app, add Karma and Jasmine to it, and write our first unit test. From then on, we'll keep adding features to the app and testing as we go along, to learn about how to test Angular's major components piece by piece, including controllers, services, directives, and filters. Finally, we'll add code coverage to our app to make sure that every line of code in our app is accounted for by a test. The end result is going to be a pretty simple holiday planning app. The app is kept simple to keep the focus on the process of testing an Angular app, rather than the process of creating one. But as you'll see, even a very simple app requires a lot of testing code. So now let's get started and head into the next section, and there we'll learn the why and the what we test before learning the how.